Pushpa Bhattacharya, I understood immediately sudden the moment I told about that. Yesterday morning I told that Rahulji, you are not the person to end up like this. You didn't Cambridge and all like that. Suddenly the transaction immediately the entire battalion started arranging the farmers protest and supplies and then so today barking about the political. So today I told that about posted about the Priyanka ji and the entire great Vadra families horoscope, exceptional abilities. Immediately, everybody queued up, tallied up to praise the leader of opposition and its power, reputation, dignity, barking, and Indira Gandhi. What are the things? Oh, sure. This is what the people who like a cowards. Where will go with the day battalion? We feel like shit. None of you feel then again. Dalji, what is your stage till yesterday today morning also? Then suddenly. Oh, people will be online and offline now, and suddenly the grand success and so excitement again started. To, when you get this excitement, it suddenly that that's fourth of all down only. Okay, just understand that your life and career, everything is even your Indian citizenship, even under my word, tongue tip. It's a shame. That's the thing. You don't even because suddenly, and I was Rondo that crack double the to overcome the level of I disclosed to the his exceptional talent immediately. The Cambridge 2 years and the dream the maths also that's it again the motor got activated. I feel like shit. It's in the fellows wait him do something. Then the correct Mantara is returns it. Narendra Modi Sacro we will throw to the go Chagrapa ticket. And then Nana put the Meshi in a chow ticket in a matan and get your Chanak. Like a Mantara going to tell me love all the marking catcher. These all Katharas only are telling for Priyanka this much. This many years that emotional outburst. And then Pushpatacharya, that don't dream that Chivachi Chaudhary can roll out a Sabi to continue the entire Adhani Ambani, that everybody from all the Nakara, Kachara, straight fellows are grabbing crores, billions from years. And I still remember how Chivachi Chaudhary and that Bibila Uganda, the Kachara parties that Oxford broke. And everywhere, in Oxford also hijacking from Bengali lobby, everybody outbursting from years. Kacharas. And back that Professor Devankar as the SEBI director. He is the eligible person, or Professor Balaji. They are the eligible, and not like this kind of culture. See, all the opposition parties be aware and united throughout this. Subashi Chaudhary is a culture of fraud. This is Pushpak psycho agent culture. They are not capable nothing. That there are capable. The previous director Devan Khakar, he was director, and these fellows are very puppet of this Pushpak. The entire India will be devastated. Have use common sense. What you people are thinking, getting excited to the IIT, not you fellows are not knowing what is IIT. The Bengali devils everywhere. That's the reason. See, to hijack the entire health sector, these fellows made the Jay Bhattacharya as the he is an economist to the director of NIH. These fellows are RF fellows with the Nakapacha thing. Don't get excited and be humble and understand. And what is your name? Rahulji and Priyanka, don't dream that you can become the Prime. You will never become the Prime Minister of India. Yesterday also that Bandawal clearly told that. And because you cannot. This Priyanka is nobody. And none of the leaders. These fellows will put on the loop and will get excited and will go in the loop like that and I'll say. And it actually don't get it just understand the pathetic stage how much within the last 1 week how much he suffered tolerated the shout of shyness how much he got disappointed. Okay, don't get excited so much. Okay, these all devils are like this only. Okay, Shiv Shakti, that's the only thing. Don't forget the excitement in Haryana and during the Bharja Yatra. And so, oh, there's so much water and water. So, wait, they for the great Motalas didn't arrange anything for the but then end up like a forceful fate, end up like her zapte tank vagina under the this is what karma. And the Matala 24/7. This is the job and as to all the Dyson man sucked under with that outbursting and with that testosterone and all the church to keep you in the control of vagina. But So the expert, all the analyzers and the players, game players, exceptional players, cricket team and Indian always suddenly created another strategy. Don't put so much. Okay. Also, this Abshuman Singh catcher after how many teams I went into after the Haryana election went the field, and so when they thought that power will get, oh, everybody came and talk to so many things were elevated, and after that the Mumbai election, oh, everybody disappointed. So no, where was these all the sport advocates? When they were about to cancel her citizenship and all. Still again, so yesterday I told this also again, so that might be Ravindra Reddy Rapado Chandrababu Naidu or something. What are again everybody got outbusted. It is so together. Shameless cowards. Shame for the nation. These all fellas. Okay, so don't get excited so much. Okay.